Hey YouTube, it's CCWIZ67. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to make a red hood helmet. Let's get to it. So to weather this helmet, you're going to need some shoe polish, some acrylic paint, probably in like aluminum or steel color, and a paintbrush, and also some paper towels. That's all you need to weather this. So as you can see, I'm just going over it, putting a little dents in it with my thing I tried, and trying to make it look like it's just someone that was, if you cleaned it, you're just wiping it off, not trying to actually get in the nooks and crannies of it. That's why it has that extra layer of dirt and grime, I would say. Yeah, so it's just looking pretty nice, pretty clean, pretty nice. So as you can see, you just gotta keep on working it, like layers at a time. Don't go too heavy at once. If you go too heavy when you already have like a nice looking layer below it, it'll kind of erase that layer, which sucks. So you just want to keep on doing this. The next part is I kind of have this kind of mesh looking thing. I got it at Hobby Lobby, I forgot what it's called, but yeah, I think it's called like noodle art something, like noodle art stuff. So you just want to get some of that stuff. It's like 60 cents per thing for a sheet, which is pretty good. So you just want to apply it here to add some really nice depth and texture to it. It also looks really cool and helps even out like the color on camera, so it's not all bland, which sucks. So right here we're going to be using our paint, or silver acrylic paint, to go around little parts that the paint would chip off, so like little parts of the eyelid. As you can see, I'm getting into that little nook of the thing, the jaw pieces. Points that stick out would have paint that chip. So you just want to keep on doing this into different parts to help give it a nice weathered look, which I did, and it comes out really nice actually. Like, it really sells the like idea that it's like a real helmet made to help like protect your head. So now we'll be using some more of that noodle art stuff to make some lenses. So you're just gonna need to cut out 2 of these things, like shape. I just had some like old safety glasses that like, or had paint on them, didn't look nice anymore, that I didn't really care for because I had like a new pair. So I'm gonna use it for my goggles. So you can see it looks pretty cool. It allows you to see through it pretty well when you can't see your eyes really. So I just want to use some more contact cement to apply that to it. You probably could just go around the eyes with hot glue, but I did not have any sticks. When you glue it on, you're going to want to make sure it's tacky, which it usually is, and then also clean up the edges so it's not overlapping and like would stab into the foam of the helmet, and it should come out really nice. the mask all weathered up. Made the goggles just like that. I say it looks really good actually. Like a nice detail on it. Subtle bits like that here. That's gotta say I'm really happy with how this came out. So if you guys like that video, make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe. Make sure you share it. That's cool. That helps out. So you guys can be notified for the next video. And see ya.